Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. I want to show you something fairly basic, removing the holy cow handle. I don't know what you call it. Whatever you call it, you grab it so you can get up and into the truck, okay? So what we're going to do first is we're going to grab this, a little pocket screwdriver, come right into here and pull this out. We're going to do the same thing down here. There we are. Up in here, you'll notice that there's a Torx bit. I'm just gonna grab my Torx driver. This one. See if I can get it on there. Oh, there's the screw. All right. And here is our assist handle. We'll call it that. That's easier. Okay, so now it's time to install this. Just gonna grab our bolt, slide it right into that hole. Cool. Start my Torx onto there. Just start it right in. Do the same thing for this one. Start it right on there. Put it in and through. There's that one. Very easy. Very simply done using a T27 Torx bit. Take our little covers, slide it in there just like that. Do the same thing for this one. That's it. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.